Well, I am somewhere I've never been before. I'm at Matanzas Inlet, which I've been to Matanzas Inlet before. I've never been to this part of it. Trying to hide from the wind. The wind's coming from the northeast. And I'm hiding behind this little seawall right here. And I'm going to throw a popping cork out here. I've got live shrimp, got mud minnows. Just going to see if there's anything over here. Give this a shot, which I've never done before. So thanks for joining this episode of Freedom Fishing, guys. I'm gonna do some land-based today. Try to hide from the wind. Small craft advisory. Can't get in a boat, so we're gonna do the best we can with it. All right, I went to a knocker rig to get to the bottom. Nothing on the float rig floating by there. So let's see if something happens here with the knocker rig on the bottom. Definitely looks like a good spot. Nothing really happened at the last little area, so I'm going to try right here on this little point. Looks like a good spot to have some fish hanging. Have the popping cork out there with my very industrial, creative rod holder right on that point. And I'm going to throw the voodoo around a minute while that does its thing. Oh, really? Yeah. It's a ray, yeah. Oh, we got it right near the line. Oh, it's a ray? Oh, yeah, I hate it. That's the worst. That's the most disappointing thing ever. Well, good luck to you. Well, you got a stingray. That sucks. You think you got a good fish and it's just a stingray. I'm afraid I'm not going to get out of here, y'all. Look at this. I'm at Matanzas Inlet. This water is so high. I've never seen it this high before. If I don't go now, I'll never go. I'm riding on the curb. Gosh, thank you, Lord, for that. Wow, that was close. Well, I'm at the Fort Matanzas National Monument, I guess, or near it somewhere. I've never been on this pier before, but this wind is ridiculous. I almost got stuck just now. Man, I really thought I was stuck. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get out, but I got lucky. But I'm gonna throw a live shrimp right here. Look how deep the water is. Look how high it is. You're supposed to walk to the beach there. So let's see if the fish are up here in this high water. I'm at the Douglas Crane boat ramp. I don't know if I'm really allowed to fish here, to be honest with you. I have fished here before, but only when I had my boat here one day picking some people up. So I fished here and caught flounder and some mangroves. So this wind, I'm just trying to find some new land-based spots. And the water's so high everywhere, it's crazy. But I'm gonna throw the voodoo for a little bit, and then some live shrimp, some mud minnows. So I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's crazy windy. There, I got him. It's a little mango. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first fish of the day. I've been fishing for about 3 hours. Land-based fishing in the crazy wind. Can't find a spot to go. We finally caught a little mangrove. Oh my gosh. All right, dude. Thank you. better mangrove, or maybe not. Yeah, that is a better back-to-back mangroves. We didn't catch anything for 3 hours. From back-to-back, we get mangroves. All right, Bubba. Thank you for that. We're on a streak, people. Yes. For mangrove. See you, Bubba. Well, somebody fished here today. Let this poor guy out. That's not good. Well, here I am. Last spot of the day. It has been a rough day, but you can see why I'm here. The wind doesn't get you. These northeast winds don't hit you here, so it's kind of become my go-to spot if there's wind going on. And then when there's a small craft advisory, that's when I'm doing land-based. And the winds are normally northeast because that's where the strong winds are coming from. So here I am. Let's see if we can't catch some fish. All right, so we've got an outgoing tide now. I have not fished on an outgoing, so I'm going to try to fish under the bridge on the outgoing. I can't get to the docks. If I get to the dock, it's going to just drift this way and I'm going to get snagged. So let's see what happens underneath the bridge. There we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. All right, haven't been here very long. Got some decent action here. What we got? Solid mangrove, really solid mangrove. Okay, he's not quite a keeper. There he is, got him. On the mud minnow. This is a small fish on the mud minnow. Well, he got a little bigger, closer to me. Oh, we got a jack. All right. Hello there. Little Jack Crevalle.
What's it called?
It's a Jack Crevalle.
Jack Crevalle?
Yeah, they're not really good to eat. They're fun to catch.
Pretty fish.
Yeah, they're pretty. They're fun to catch. They fight good.
No good eating.
Nah, not really good to eat. No. But they're fun.
Yeah.
See you, dude. Yep.
As long as you're catching them.
That's right. Maybe you brought me good luck.
Hope so.
And there he is. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Got a bigger one. This is a good fish right here, people. He's taking me around the piling. Dang it. There we go. It's probably just a bigger jack, probably. Yeah. Just a little bit bigger jack. But we finally had some action though.
Nice one.
Yeah, just a little bit bigger one. You guys walk by and I catch 2 decent fish. That's good.
Are you using live bait or what?
I'm using live bait, yeah. Using live mud minnows and live shrimp. This guy swallowed it. Dang it.
Well, I guess we did bring it on luck.
That's right. You too. Yeah, all right. See you, dude. Maybe he'll make it. Well, he swam off. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I had this guy on. Got a mangrove on the mud minnow. Looks like I'm gonna keep my mud minnow. Well, I've been here about 10 minutes. I've caught 3 mangroves and 2 jacks. And man, it's a sight for sore eyes after the start I had today. Tell you one thing I've gotten a lot better at the more I've fished and doing the YouTube channel. First started, I had my line would break a lot more than it does now. Untied knots, that kind of thing. Still does sometimes when I'm outmanned by a fish, but just now I brought my line in and my leader was a little frayed. And it wasn't afraid a lot, but it was afraid enough to where I'm like, if I get a big redfish or black drum on, I might lose it. So I just cut the end of my line and retied. So I'm just getting better at that. Little things like that, that if you're going to be a good fisherman, you got to be able to do, be willing to do. Wow, this felt like a better fish too. Oh, this isn't, oh my, wow. This is the smallest black drum I've ever caught. This is the smallest black drum I have ever caught. Check out those beautiful little fish. Look at how beautiful this guy is. What a beautiful fish. Dude, you made my day. That is a beautiful fish. All right, Bubba, see ya. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice little fish. Stay pinned, baby. Stay pinned. This is a good mangrove. Man, it felt bigger than that. He felt a lot bigger than this. Get them down there in that current. They feel bigger. I could have swore this was a bigger fish. See ya, dude. This should be the best mangrove of the day. Be a mangrove and be the best one of the day. Yep, it is. This is a good mangrove. Best mangrove of the day. That's a keeper. He's right at 10 inches. Nice fish right there. Best mangrove of the day. Oh, he was, dude, that'd be a good meal actually. A good taco. He was thick. It's a pretty good little bite. It's just a mangrove. It has a good, a little bit of drag on me. Gotta tighten the drag up some on this guy. This is just a nice mangrove, I think. Well, guys, I'm headed home from what was a very challenging, very windy day, and I wasn't going to make this video, but I decided to make it because the struggle's real. I have days like this. Fortunately, I don't have a lot of days like this, but I do have days like this. Small craft advisory. Was going out with Joey from Sea Squatch. He's got a YouTube channel. Check him out. And Mike, Get Out the House, Go Fish. He's got a channel. We were going out together today. We were going to do some sheepshead fishing, and the small craft advisory just didn't allow us to do that. But I also forgot in the intro to mention, if you have not registered for the $250 gift card, make sure you do that. You need to go to the video that was done, I think 2 videos ago. The title's $250 giveaway. You got to like that video, make sure you're a subscriber, and you need to make a comment on that video, whatever comment you want to make. By doing those 3 things, you are entered into the drawing to win the $250 gift card to St. Augustine Paddle Sports. The owner, Dave, is working with me to help on that. So make sure you go do that. So the struggle is real. I know it wasn't great content, but it showed the struggle and some of the interesting things that happened and how windy it was today. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it very much. Have an awesome night. I'm going to go hop in the hot tub. God bless.